Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ruth Ego. So on this video, I am going to be showing you how to steam your hair with aloe vera. So I went to my little garden. I went to pluck some amount of aloe vera I'll be needing. So since I will not be needing much, I took out the quantity that will be enough on my baby's hair that I'll be working on. So I plucked the amount that I'll be needing, took it to where I'll be working on, and washed every dirt on it. So I diced it into bits. After dicing into bits, I brought out a bowl and scooped out the gel from it. Now, after I have done scooping out, I washed my hand and decided to massage the juice so I can work on my baby's hair. So this is my little one. She enjoys making videos with me, and she enjoys whenever she hears I'm about to make her hair. So I parted her hair into bits and applied the aloe vera juice on her hair. So in the process of applying, I make sure that I massage the hair properly. I massage it so the aloe vera can penetrate down to her scalp and to every strand on her hair. And please, when you're massaging it, please don't pull the hair. So after massaging, I covered it up for 30 minutes for the hair to soften and be in good condition. So after doing that, I proceeded by washing. So on this time, I decided to wash with just water. I washed the hair with water, and I didn't use shampoo. I used water and conditioner. So now, me washing with water and conditioner, I use the same product containing aloe vera for the conditioning. I add the right amount that will be enough for our hair, which I have done, and after that rinsed it out. Then I added a leave-in treatment to the hair. This leave-in treatment will protect the hair from shredding out. It will protect it from breaking. So I'm also go ahead to massage it down to the scalp. Now it's very good for you to massage hair when you're about to do it, and even after doing it, you take out time to massage your little one's hair. It is very important. It relaxes their head and it increases hair growth. So after that, I went ahead to mold the hair. Now, molding of the hair is very good. You can style it any style you want, but I decided to mold the hair because I don't want to stress. I don't like stressing her that much when making hair. So on this note, I would like to remind you all that if you are enjoying what you see, please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. It is because of you guys that I'm here. Without you, I won't be making any content. So this is for you all. And please, I'll need the encouragement of you commenting and liking my videos whenever you watch them. It will make me to do more. And if by chance you are confused on any part of the video, please don't forget to comment. Air your opinion, and I'll be in comment section to reply them all. So we are still on molding the hair. Please watch. So can you see how the process is going? Like I said before, when you steam your baby's or your own personal hair, you can style it any way you want it. And please, when you're working on your hair, don't use tight things on your hair. It will hurt your scalp. So be gentle when you're making your hair. It's important. Now you can see, because my little one is enjoying the treat she's having, she has fallen asleep. I believe if my hands are too harsh on her scalp, she would have screamed and cried in the process of trying to work on her hair. So please, always treat your hair with care. Don't don't overstress your hair. Don't overstress your scalp. It's important. Treat it with the way you would treat your face. Treat your hair with the same way you would treat something precious and dear to you. So we we are on the last stage of her hair, and she's still sleeping. So this brings us to the last stage of aloe vera hair care moments, aloe vera hair care routine. Please watch out for my next video, because I'll be showing you some more things that we can always do with aloe vera. And please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share if you haven't. Don't forget to share to your friends, because this might be important and useful to them. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys.